Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to set up a ChatGPT chatbot in WordPress website. Now, if you're wondering how can you actually go and add a ChatGPT or integrate it with your website to make a chatbot, well, there is a way to do it. So obviously we will need to use a plugin. So you'll need to add new plugin here. And from there, what you can do is you can type in chatbot ChatGPT for WordPress. Now, as you can see here, we have a lot of different chatbots. What I would recommend, this one is great if you want, content generation, stuff like that. This one is great if you want to just easily integrate OpenAI's ChatGPT API into your WordPress website. So here you can have a chatbot plugin for personalized support, engagement, and stuff like that. So as you can see, if we go to more details here, we can see that this is a ChatGPT plugin or a chatbot plugin based on ChatGPT. It's a conversational plugin, so it will help you with your support. As you can see, easy setup, integration with OpenAI, ChatGPT 3.5, also support for ChatGPT 4. If you already have an API, you can integrate with it. If we go here to installation, it's really simple. Upload the chatbot folder to plugins. Obviously, you just hit install now here, and it will install the plugin. And then you need to go to settings, chatbot, ChatGPT, and then enter your OpenAI API key. So you'll need to do that. You can watch one of our other videos on how to acquire OpenAI API key. For that, obviously, you can customize the chatbot appearance and other parameters as needed. And this is how it looks like right here. Obviously, it's not that fancy of a look, but it does the job done. So obviously, you can go and you can maybe try coding a better bot in terms of how it looks like. But for now, this is the best we can do for this bot. Obviously, you have other bots as well. AI chatbot here. You can try out this one. If we go to screenshots, this one looks a little bit better, as you can see. But that's pretty much it. I mean, that's how you can set up a ChatGPT chatbot in WordPress website. It's very simple. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.